Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on white labeling the dashboards in Bold BI. White labeling in Bold BI allows you to fully customize the look and feel of your BI platform to match your brand identity. You can change logos, colors, URLs, and even host the application under your own domain. This feature helps businesses present dashboards as their own product, enhancing professionalism and user trust. These areas in Bold BI can be white labeled. First, let's look at site name customization. The name of your Bold BI site can be changed at any time in the site settings under the General section. Changes to the site name will be shown in the title of the browser and email template content. Select the settings icon on the dashboard page. The organization's name will be used in the application for both page titles and email content, especially in the Regards section. I change the organization name and save it. Now, the title of the browser and email template content are updated. Configuring resource sorting will determine the arrangement of application resources, including dashboards, views, data sources, schedules, and slideshows. Under resource sorting, you can choose sorting type and sorting order. Users have the option to switch the sorting type for the resource to either name or modified date, and the sorting order to either ascending or descending. Update the resource sorting to name in ascending order, and click Save. Dashboard names are arranged in ascending order. The time zone and date format for the Bold BI site can also be changed. The site uses the time zone of the machine where Bold BI is being deployed. By selecting Inherit from Browser Time Zone, the Bold BI site will use the time zone from the browser. By selecting your time zone from the dropdown, the Bold BI site will use your particular time. The default date format for the site is month, date, and year. By selecting Inherit from Browser Locale, the Bold BI site will use the date format from the browser. Or you can go with the date format in the given dropdown. The default time format for the site is a 12-hour clock. By selecting Inherit from Browser Locale, the Bold BI site will use the time format from the browser, or choose between 24-hour or 12-hour time format. Select the date format and time format. Save it. Date and time format are updated in the dashboard. Language settings explains how to configure the language settings for application language and data language. Users can localize the Bold BI application by changing the language in the Application Language section. The selected language is used in the application user interface like menu items, dialog boxes, toolboxes, and so on. You can also localize the date, number, and currency formats of the dashboards to any culture by changing the data language selection. Next, let's look at site logo customization. You can customize the login screen logo, header logo, favicon, email logo, and AI logo on the site settings page under the branding section to match your application's branding. The default Bold BI logos will be displayed on Bold BI sites unless customized. The login page logo will be used on the site's login page as shown here. The header logo will be used at the top of the side navigation menu in the Bold BI site. Favicon will be used in the browser's title. The email logo will be used in the email sent from your Bold BI site. The AI logo will be used on the dashboard rendering page as the logo for AI service. Now, let's see how to change the logo. Select the Change Logo option and add the logo images from your computer. Save your changes and it will automatically update the logo. In the same way, you can change the logo for header logo, favicon, email logo, and AI logo. Next is the Powered by Information customization. The Powered by logo can be customized or disabled for embedded BI in the site settings under the branding section. The Powered by logo will be shown at the bottom of the site pages. Change the Powered by logo. Next, let's look at copyright information customization. Copyright details can be changed or disabled for embedded BI in the site settings under the branding section. Copyright information will be shown at the bottom of the site pages. Change the copyright information. You can also change the theme and branding colors, as well as the site's font options. Users can switch the application and dashboard theme from light to dark mode and vice versa, and update the font to their preferred choice under the look and feel settings. In this video, you've learned how to use white labeling for your dashboards in Bold BI. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.